Arrange the steps of construction for a quadrilateral MATH. Given MA is 5.5. MATH. MATH. MA is 5.5. MH is 6.2. AT is 4. Angle M is 75. My angle does not look like 75. Angle A is 60. And so it is actually a shape where angle M and A, M, A, T, H, 75, 60, MA is 5.5, MH is 6.2, AT is 4. And so how will we draw this? We'll break this as MAH and MAT. This triangle we can draw because we have two sides and the included angle. This triangle we can draw because we have two sides and an included angle. And then we have located H and T. Just join them. We are good. Right, so let's see if you're doing the same thing. With M as center and radius 6.2, we have to arrange these in sequence. So, this is not the first step. First step would be to draw MA, because that's part of two triangles. So draw MA equal to 5.5. Wonderful. So that will be the first step. Step 2 is the first step. And then you have to draw either the angle at M or the angle at A, one of these two. So either this angle or this angle. So 2, 3 is a possibility, or 2, 5 is a possibility. In our choices, there's no 2, 3, so we'll forget this. We'll chase 2, 5. So we are constructing XMA equal to 75 degrees. We're constructing this angle. Then what will we do? We'll cut off from M 6.2 centimeters and locate H. With M as center, radius 6.2, cut off MH equal to 6.2 centimeters along MX. This is XMA. So 2, 5, 1. Then what will we do? We'll do the same process at A. So we'll say construct angle MAY equal to 60 degrees at A. 3. With A as center and radius 4 centimeters, cut off AT equal to 4 along Y. So we have done this, located this, located this. Join TH 6. 2, 5, 1, 3, 4, 6. Answer choice B, B for Bombay. Break all these quadrilateral constructions into two triangles, and then we are good to go. Find the right two triangles and then we can simplify this.